car crew here. We're about to take a car wash, bro. Yeah, so get your ass over there. Allies car crew, rich as fuck. We're about to take that $5 car wash. I mean, that vacuum too. Look at all this shit. The coconut water on the floor. What the fuck? Avi, you're doing it wrong. Hurry the fuck up. I lied. I got the $7 car wash. I got paid Friday, so open this shit up, bro. Open up. Fuck. Finally. Fucking infinity in front of me. This bitch about to fuck up his room. Better not fuck up my plastic up. Chill his ass. Man, them bitch ass rooms, they can't tell me what to do. Ah! Ah! Yo, this shit don't work. The water's still here. So I wipe your ass. You ain't getting no tip anyways.
Got 4 bad minutes and the pleasures all mine. 50 girls that the lady.
So, Hobby managed to break the machine.
No.
Brandon's ass smell like.